We've gotten great feedback from our clients and prospective clients who've had an opportunity to get a sneak peek at the Collab Gateway. The way we've brought together these various softwares and we present it in a unified way so that the organization has persona-based views, has the ability to look at best-in-class visualizations, has organized and structured data that they can actually leverage LLMs on top of, and the LLM that we're presenting is trained and modeled on top of their data that's here behind their own security boundary.
One of the things I really enjoy putting together about this collaboration gateway actually is this cave painting. And that's because it's actually giving an active drawing of what this actual working product looks like. And we think it's really helpful to get folks involved in the process of seeing what it's like to build a bridge to the future.
Yeah, that makes sense. Essentially, you want to showcase what's happening for those who don't understand the landscape as well. Sometimes having that picture goes a long way.
One of the things that we've done within Curator, and we'll go ahead and jump over to our working prototype, is set things up with a layout of the different regional reports. This is, I'm under a role for someone who's a national manager, so I get to see all the regional reports as well. And the idea is that this is actually working with live data. This is historical data that's from CMS that's got data from 2013 to 2022. And again, a different group that may put together something inside of Power BI because they're concerned with a different domain also has access to the same data but pivots and looks at it slightly differently. And of course, the last thing is our little view into the future, which is building an AI model that can actually speak to the same data, where you can go and ask the data a question. And here we've prefabricated one of our questions. It's kind of a little bit gnarly, where we're tying a couple of different dimension tables together with our fact table. And we're asking it to actually go through this CMS data, which is 250 million rows of data, and it's able to do it in a fraction of a second. So after it takes and pulls the data back, it then goes into another network of AI agents that goes and decides how to display the data. So once that's completed, it then renders it in several different options within the tabs that are along in this chat window. And we'll see it's wrapping things up here. You can go and actually see the initial query that it built, and then the plan that it made for actually how to deal with the data and then how to display it. And you can go through and of course see the data table. And there's a bar chart, and then we're getting this by state, so we can also see this by map. We can also take and just grab this and drag it into a dashboard, and now we actually have it available to us as a static asset, and we can also set it up to update whenever the data gets updated and what have you. So we really feel like this is that wrapper that gives us an entire cohesive view of all the different ways that we're building on this data and puts it under one roof, so that as the organization moves forward, that it moves forward together and creates a more cohesive experience.
So the Collab Gateway outlines essentially how organizations should think about the future of analytics delivery. So you have Curator, which acts, as Houston said, more as a wrapper. You have Tableau, which is great for certain visualizations, and depending on the team, you may lay on one software over another. But what we've incorporated that I think is really exciting is the ability to leverage that data, but that data is behind your own security boundary, so it's protected. You're not sharing this information with any of the open AIs or any of the other LLMs that exist, but you're leveraging that capability for value creation within your organization. This, we believe, is a unique opportunity for those who are looking for what's next. I know many leaders we talk to are always thinking about how do they leverage AI ML capabilities within their organization in a way that makes sense. And we're presenting a great opportunity for those to get a sneak peek at how it's done, presenting working software, and we invite you to the future of work.